guys, I wanted to show you this new lawnmower that I picked up at Home Depot. Actually, I went online and got it and had it shipped to me because I saw it in the store and I didn't want to carry it out. I wanted it shipped to me so that I wouldn't have to load it up and bring it here. So it is a Ryobi lawnmower and it is a battery lawnmower. So right here is the battery and I happen to have it plugged up and it should be ready to go. And I wanted to show you some of the simple features on this lawnmower because I felt like I wanted something that was easy for me to handle just whenever I wanted to mow. So I'm one of those type of people that I can hear the grass grow. When my grass gets 1.5 to 2 inches, I like to get out there and mow it. Now, right now, it has been raining a lot, so I haven't been able to get out there and to get my grass. So it's pretty yucky out there. But let me show you some of the features on this. On this lawnmower. I unboxed it. I took it out of the box, and this is how it comes right out of the box. And you have your battery, and you have your leaf bag. And I had to put that together, which was simple. Just had to bend those over the bar. There is the name, Ryobi. And I have a mulcher plug. So I'm gonna insert that. Okay, so, and then in the package, there is the manual, whatever warranty and everything that's on that. So, this is so simple to use. First of all, it's foldable. So that's one of the features that I like because I like to put some of my equipment in the shed. Might be a little rain in there. I don't want rain to get on it. I don't want things to rust. So I will be putting this in the garage, but I want to make sure that there's enough space in the garage to put it, fold it down and get it out of the way. So right now it's folded. It's simple to unfold. See these two tabs here? I'm gonna turn those and lift my handle up. Very easy, simple. And then I'm gonna click it into place. Both of them are clicked into place. Couple different levels right there, I see. Okay, so that clicked in there. And then right here, I'm going to extend the arms. And I have these, they were already, okay. So I'll just pull these, actually pulled up, and then I'm gonna raise that in. I don't know why I'm jerking it because it's not that hard to do, it's simple. And then I'm gonna pull that there, pull that, and it's locked. So that was just simple. Take it out of the box, unfold it, raise the handle. So what I'm gonna do is the bag goes on. If you wanna use the bag, it goes on right here. Right here, there's a little hook. There's a little, not a hook, but there's a little indentation right here. And that's where the bag is going to connect. Just put it down in there and it's in there. That's simple. That is so easy. So if you don't want to use the bag, which I don't use the bags that much, I usually use the Mulcher plugs. Okay, so here's the Mulcher plug for this lawnmower, and I'm going to put that in. And this is, I like this feature right here because you can hold on and do what you need to do. So it just goes in there that easy. A little bit of elbow grease in there, and then that hooks right down in there. That's the Mulcher plug. That's simple. I am so excited about this lawnmower. Okay, now this part right here, there is 2 spaces. One space to hook the battery up. It comes with one battery. and it goes right here. And if you have another battery, if you buy another battery, then you can just put it right there. Or when you get finished mowing, you can pull the battery out and store it right there. And here is the turn key. That's what's really going to get it started. So the turn key goes right here. It'll store right there. But what I'm going to do is take the battery off. It's fully charged, and it takes a while. Actually, yeah. Comes with the charger right there. Charger, full charge. Takes about 4 hours. There's the battery, 40-volt lithium HP. And you just slide it down in here. It just clicked. And then here is the key, the starter key. And then close it. After the battery is in and the key is in place, the starter key is in place, there's your push button, and you pull the handle back. And I'm not going to do it at this moment because I'm still inside the house. I got to go outside and I will start it out there. So it was that simple to put this together. I could do it. And that's what I was so excited about. It seemed like it was something easy for me to do. And so, when I forgot to tell you that this is how you set the height. This right there. And then scoot back so you can see it goes up. That's the height adjustment. And I'm just doing them on different heights so that you can see. That's simple. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna start this up, and I'm gonna let you see how smooth this mows. And it's a little bit rainy. We've been getting a lot of rain here lately, so it looks like it's gonna rain. But I'm so excited. So I'm gonna mow some, and then we'll see how this works. I mowed the grass before it started raining, and this is a keeper. I love this lawnmower. It's a 20-inch, 40-volt, battery-powered lawnmower. Ryobi. I love it. So if you like this video, hit that like button, and as always, subscribe. See you in the next video.